So tell me, are you a dub man?
Coming along how you wanted?
You know?
Yeah, beauty.
Clean, clear crystal, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Me boil roots when my roots dry. So my Roots Tonic cannot bitter, you know. I dry them for 3 months, 4 months.
The roots themselves drying.
Yeah, 4 months. I don't. That's why you see it looks so clean and pretty.
Yeah.
So you see when they're not dry, they're black. Yeah, man. The type of roots when I deal with that foreign, you know. Everybody must want me to come make roots for them. How much in gallon they want, and make it give them. But they have to come with some enough money. Them are roots, yeah. Them are roots are good for all the reptile, you know. Yeah, man. Them are every kind, any type of sickness you want, you have. This good.
Well, that's what you said. This is what kept you fit and healthy when you're living pretty rough.
Rough life, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is what I drink this 24/7, you know. So I know it's what I'm off find the people them. Yeah, man. I know it's what. I know it keep me fit and healthy, so me big and strong.
And it works.
And it
Look
works.
at this guy's arm.
Yeah, and it work.
It works. If you have any doubt,
Yeah.
Roots Tonic works.
Yeah, man. Let's come to Rat's Kitchen. You get one in gallon that it carry up, man. Very clear and pretty crystal. That's the type of roots. I don't boil green roots. Green roots not working up in my school. You know, the dry root. 3 months, 4 months, it's still there and dry. It's real, man.
So you have to keep up with it. You always got to keep replenishing your roots so they're drying properly.
No food business, Fkry. You're running it down and it not prepared properly. But you see what you are drink? Clear crystal water, man. Clean and pretty, you know.
Now I see a little bit of green. Did you just chuck some mint in there?
Yeah, mint.
Okay.
Call it mint.
Yes.
That's good for the system.
Just for a bit of flavor.
Yes, and the gas and the cold. Boom! Everything done, you know. Because
Yes.
I have to put all these things in it because I drink it too. And I know what I'm making, you see? I see the product. Is it till tomorrow? When you see it again, Matthew, when it finish, when it's strained out, man, you go on this we drink 24/7, man. Yeah, man.
I don't know how easy it is to find roots at home, but I'll try.
Uh-huh.
I'll make a version of it, maybe Canadian roots. We'll have some maple roots in there.
Root,
And,
what I do.
some ganji, maybe.
Ganji.
Do you put ganji in
No,
here
no,
too?
no, 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 no. Because not everybody can drink, and not everybody may. If me I go boil, me boil 2 separated people who can take it, but this is raw water and thick root, man.
Yeah.
Take out everything, man. Good for your reptile, good for your stomach, good for black tube. It pull everything.
What does good for your reptile mean? Maybe I'm not understanding.
Good for your dick.
Ah, you call it your reptile?
Yeah, man, reptile.
That's a new one.
New one, that man.
Good for your reptile.
Hey, that's what I mean to your dick if you don't know, you know. In fact, a good thing Mokko dey pan, you know, man. So Mokko speak it in the right and proper way.
Well, I'm glad I asked, because I would have just
Yeah.
been confused.
Yeah, it's not people confused, you know.
No shame in asking.
No, you can't too old to learn that this is it. Yeah, sir.
Absolutely, never too old.
No, sir. Because you have that dick the other while and you never know, say, oh, it's good for all your reptile. A doctor, you know. A doctor, you know, so a doctor work. On the website, so what the fuck you think, man? No Fkry, you know. Then see, then laugh. People want to laugh and ask you, what do you mean, Matthew? Yeah, man, good for black tube. If you can't got no pickney if you're pregnant, if you can't pregnant, you just drink some of this. The man reptile can drink some of this. the woman can pregnant drink some of this RAS make. And I have different one if you're losing your kids them, all the while them born and you lose them. I have different something we can make everything stay in the bag. No more lose.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes.
I have different something can make, man. Everything stay in there. Every time I lose them, and then can't stay, I will make them stay in there. I give you one drink, and you're good to run the road, you know. You're good to do road, you know.
Dr. Mokko taking patients.
Yeah, man. I can't put this root right now in a buckle, you know. I have to put it in plastic. It's not, it bend it up and bust it, you know.
Why?
Yeah, it's too strong.
Huh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. When me a boil them, I die white, man, and I boil roots. When you hear plastic buckle bust to blood cleave, roots swell up in a plastic buckle in a full moon. In his girl always say, Mokko, take this thing, put outside. Take this root, put outside, man. And then one night time he come back and you know see none. He put in a freezer, in a fridge. When he come back, the whole fridge nasty up with the roots. The pure grass buckle.
Blew up the glass?
Yeah, man, fuck it up.
What the hell?
So that's why I don't put roots in glass buckle, because I know it's what. At 3 days that I set for, you know. So right now, it's soon ready. Final level. Strain it up. Dangerous one, man.
Roots.
Roots, man.